Wow, these are really nice. I must. Oh my god, these are nice.
Feel though, like
I gotta tease you. I thought you say. I thought you say pick up myself.
no, I could like I can't take them all. Hey guys, good morning. It's your girl Bamavana Art, and your girl is back with another vlog. Okay. So yeah guys, I'm back with another vlog, and this is going to be like a maintenance vlog, you know. So this week is a very special week. I was like, you know what, I got a couple days off, let me do a little something for myself. Okay, so today I'll be doing I'll be getting a facial at Skin Solution here in the Bahamas. So, and then later on in the week I'm gonna get my nails do, and then I'm probably gonna get my lashes do. Okay, so if you are interested in this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, and leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you think of the video. Okay, so until the next clip, I'll check back in with you guys. Okay. Hey y'all, okay, so I just arrived at Skin Solution. Initially I was recording on my camera, but you know, some people don't feel comfortable with you recording them, so I guess this is more better. So I'm gonna go on the inside right now, okay? Hey guys, okay, so I am in Skin Solution now. I am just waiting to see the owner, I guess.
What was she booked for?
She's a consultation and just whatever treatment she needed.
Yeah.
And then we wanted our regimen too, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Are you open to appeal?
I don't know.
Right. What are you using? Because your skin is dehydrated. I gotta tease you. I thought you said pick up myself.
No, I could like I can't take them out because my face will be cut right off.
That was a trick question. Okay. Yeah, so the salicylic would be great for her today, okay? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So probably on my next visit I'll do like a peel, but
yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Now with the salicylic you'll experience a little mild flaking, but nothing to talk about. You can still go 3 days later, you'll see some light flaking.
So what about makeup? Do you recommend like me wearing makeup or so? Because I like to wear makeup once in a while.
Just make sure you properly remove it.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And Don't go to bed with makeup and stuff like that. Make sure you are consistent with your routine. The products that we'll recommend to you, if you use them consistently, you will see a major difference in your skin in the next couple of weeks, okay?
It's all the abstractions, you know. Use a calming mask. That's gonna help calm them down too.
Okay, so I just got done with my facial. So my skin is a bit swollen right now because they did some extractions, as you see in the clip before. So later in the week I'll go and get my nails done and my toes done and get my lashes done. So I'll check back in with you all tomorrow. Hey guys, okay, so it's later in the week and I'm going to get my nails done and get a hair treatment. So in the clips before, I got a facial and I'm loving it. I'm loving the facial. My face feel revived, fresh, and just much cleaner, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm gonna get my nails done. This is how my nails look before. I'm also getting a pedicure. I'll show you guys my toes. I'll try to record as much as I can of, you know, my nail appointment and my pedicure or whatever. But let me show you all my toes. Going on the inside. Hey y'all, good morning. It's your girl Bahamavana Art, and your girl is back. So this is going to be the last day for my little self-care, little me time, my little maintenance, you know. So yeah, today I'm going to get my lashes done at the Beats studio with Lisa Wallace. So that's gonna be my first time. I'm excited to see the results. Yeah, also for my facial, my skin got a little scarring right here, but hopefully by tomorrow or Saturday it clears up. But my face feels very smooth anyway, so I'm gonna be getting hybrid lashes. Okay. So yeah, so this is how my lashes looking all up close and personal, y'all all in my face. So I barely have lashes, but this is the before. Okay, before, and then I'll show you how they look afterwards. You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi to the people. Anyways, so I'll talk to y'all. Oh Lord, y'all, these portals in Nassau is horrible. You know, like you could literally swim in them. Anyway, so I'll talk to y'all when I reach. Okay. Love you, babe. On it. I have an appointment. Oh yeah, I still want it to look, you know. Nice, right? I don't want it to look like I don't have on them. Wow, these are really nice. Oh my god, these are nice. And they look so natural. Sean, you see me take my twist out. Thank you. You see me put my twist out now? Nice, Lisa. These are beautiful. These are really nice. And they're so clean. Hey guys, okay, so I just got done with doing my lashes. Like, y'all, Lisa kill this, like, she kill it, okay? When I go in the car, I'll show you all it up close and personal, but listen, I can't stop blinking. Blink, blink. But I am in Starbucks right now getting some coffee, you know, so yeah, that's what I'm doing, y'all. That's what I'm doing, getting some coffee. I'm so tired, but these lashes have your girl. Can't stop blinking. Okay, so when I go in the car, I'll check back in with y'all. Okay, this is my drink. I was gonna tell him Bahama Vanna, but anyways, yeah. Thank you. And then this is my husband. So this is for me. This is for my husband. Yeah. Probably have to push it back. Yeah. Push it back and then pull it out. Yeah. Okay. So y'all, these lashes, so let's get into these lashes. Anyway, I'm walking back to the window. But yeah, going to the car. Oh. See which one is yours today? So two of them are fine. Use one and hot or cold?
Hot.
Oh, okay. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm in the car. Remember I told you I was gonna let y'all see how the lashes look. Close and personal, but this is how they are looking, okay? Blink, 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 blink. So yeah, y'all, I love it. She kill it. I really love them, okay? So I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I'm gonna drink my caramel macchiato, okay, from Starbucks, because Vano is about to cry. So I'll end this vlog right here. If you are still watching this vlog, you're the realest. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your post notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you could follow me on Instagram at BahamaVannaRN. So until the next vlog, see you in the next video. Bye.